Are there circumstances where you can fix your own credit report mishaps, i.e., can you do credit report repair yourself? Well, the answer is yes. There are a lot of situations where we actively encourage our clients to pursue a do-it-yourself solution. However, when our clients exhaust all avenues by doing it themselves, they always come back to Credit Fix Solutions because we have the ability to take it to the next level. So if you're wondering whether you can do it yourself, you may be able to. But if you have things on your credit report that you're not sure of and you're not sure of the next step, reach out to the team at Credit Fix Solutions. We have professional service providers ready to help you, and we will explore all of the do-it-yourself options if they are applicable. Have a look at our website for more information.